Congratulations, tech coaches. You made it. It is the summertime, but what do you do now that you're at home? And the answer is simple. You turn to your favorite ed tech product and you make something amazing. That's right. Today we are talking all about Canva for education. So stick around for this episode of Tech Coach Weekly. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Tech Coach Weekly. My name is Jeff Bradbury, and with me, as always, is my Ask the Tech Coach co-host, Miss Susan Vincent. Sue, how are you today? Welcome to Tech Coach Weekly.
I'm great. Still celebrating summer here in Kentucky, and we've got some great stuff to share with you today.
That is absolutely right. Today is the first of a two-part video series. We're going to be talking all about Adobe Spark and Canva. Amazing applications. Sue, you've been using Canva for a while. Talk to us a little bit about it.
Yes, I love Canva for educational templates and making those quick graphics, but there is so much more that you can do with Canva than just the simple flyer or poster. So, Jeff, what have you got for us today?
Well, today we're going to be talking about all of those little things. As Sue just said, Canva is an amazing application, free for all teachers now, and you can do so many things from worksheets to posters. But did you know that Canva has a pretty awesome publisher side? I've gotten my business cards done from Canva, but today it's not just about the business side. It is about you and your family and your summer vacation. Today we're going to be talking about 3 things, make it 4 things that Canva can do. I bet you didn't know. And by the way, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, smash that bell, and click on the like. Tell us why you love Canva in the comments. We want to hear from you guys. And one last thing, guys, before we hit that video, stick around because at the end, as we say in every single episode, it's about those 3 T's, tips, tricks, and that's right. At the end, we've got a lot of great Canva templates. We're going to be giving you guys the link to check out so you can download some free templates for yourself for your Canva EDU experience. So let's learn a little bit about Canva for EDU. So here we are in Canva for Education, a free application that all teachers should be taking advantage of. And we're going to look at 3 things that you guys can do today, and maybe with a little bit of bonus at the end. You can see here on the left side, we've got all the different templates that we're going to be looking at today. These are absolutely amazing, and there's several great ones for education. If we click on all of your designs, you can see that we've been pretty busy here in the world of Canva. All the designs for TEACHERCAST are in here. Everything that I do for school is also in Canva. Lots of great things out there that you can do. I also love that in Canva, you can create a brand kit. This is something where we have all of our great TEACHERCAST logos, designs, everything for our newsletter. You can see there's a lot of things that you can certainly use Canva for. But today we're going to be looking at a few things of interest. If I click over here onto templates, not only do you have some great stuff, but you can also check out some of these great things. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to come over here and I want to search, because not only does Canva have a lot of great templates, but there are so many things that you might not know it does. I'm going to search for stickers. Now you'll notice here, Canva's got a lot of great templates. I'm just going to go through some of these so we can check them out. I like the round ones, like the square ones. And what I want to do is I want to find something here that I can use to create a great sticker for. I like this one here that says just vibin'. But you know what? I want to use this and put it towards my brand. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have it come up here. And as you can see, it's got a nice orange background with a blue, purple little splash here. If I click on this, I can open this up, and I'm going to make this a nice TEACHERCAST blue. And then I'm going to take this little splash here, and I'm going to make this a nice Ask the Tech Coach teal color. And then over here, I'm going to change it to Ask the Tech Coach. And not only am I going to do that, I want to come over here, and I'm going to find an element. And I'm going to find a nice little graphic. If I click on See All here, I'm going to come over here to the featured ones. And you know what? Maybe something like this looks good. I'm just going to add this over here. And as you can see, it is so easy to make something nice. I'm going to come down here under logos, and I'm going to grab one of these little TEACHERCAST logos. I'm going to stick it right here, move it over. And now I've got a nice little teacher cast sticker that says Ask the Tech Coach. But what do I do with it now? The next thing I can do is I can come on over here and I can click on the print stickers button. That is right, Canva also has a fantastic printing service. You can check out what kind of stickers that you want, smaller, larger. Price is really, really good. And of course, if we want to, we can hit continue. But that is not all that Canva can do. Because if you're back here in the home page and you click on the search for T-shirt, and you'll notice there are a lot of great T-shirts already done. I'm going to come over here and click on event T-shirt here, and it's going to pop up some really nice logos. Maybe this is for a graduation, a birthday party. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on this. And because this is our 10-year anniversary with TeacherCast, we're going to create a nice T-shirt to celebrate that. We're going to say EST for established. I'm going to make this just a little bit smaller. And we're going to put in the year 2011 is when TeacherCast came out. And we're going to say TeacherCast, and I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to make this just a little bit smaller. Maybe just a little bit smaller than that. There you go. If we make this a little bit bigger, we will have our nice little TeacherCast logo, our nice little TeacherCast shirt. So let's make this just a little bit lower. And you'll notice here, there's a lot of great things. If I want to change this around to our TeacherCast colors again, I can put this in here and we can say TeacherCast established 2011. I've got some spots over here that I can do something with. And if I click on that uploads, if I want to click on that logo again, I can find my TeacherCast white logo. And I can put that logo right where it is. A really nice, easy to use t-shirt design. Of course, I can always click over here on print t-shirts and I can figure out if I want it on one side, both sides, how many different sides. I can have all the different types of things. Heck, if I wanted, I can even make a onesie out of this. You never know what you can do over here in Canva, but there's a lot of great things that you can do here. And again, if you want, you can always click on continue and check out. But that is not all that Canva can do. Because if we're back here on the Canva homepage, we can click under features and we can see all the great print products. If I click on here, it shows us all the different things that we can do. I got to say, this print stuff is pretty amazing. I've been getting my business cards done from Canva for quite some time. I even like the fact that you can make some pretty amazing photo books. And we're going to try to do one of those right now. I'm going to click on Browse Templates. And you can see I've got some great ones over here, and I'm just going to click on this one here. It opens up, and again, you'll notice that it automatically just lays out the pages really, really nice. Let's use this template here. And you can see the template is all laid out for us. Again, if I want to change this picture, I can hit escape, and I can now change this frame. I can come back down here. I can add my logo into this here, and now I've got my logo. I can say teachercast.net. And again, I want to change this from the nice little sand color into my brand color. And why not? Let's just make this apple just a little bit bigger here. After all, we are celebrating 10 years of TeacherCast. And here we go. We've got our nice little book. We can, of course, add different pictures, different logos. You get the idea. And then over here, we can hit download and make this into any number of things. Our PNG, PDF, we can even make it into print quality. There's a lot of different things that you can do with Canva, but I did promise you a bonus thing, and let's find out the last thing that you can do with Canva that is pretty cool. Now, that last thing that we can do with Canva is learn from Canva. I love the fact that not only does Canva provide these great templates for marketing, for business, for our classrooms, and yes, even for summertime, but it also is a really good educational section from which we can learn from. If we click up here on Learn, we have an entire tutorial series of getting started, a little bit about design, social media marketing. I'm going to click over here under the Design School courses. And as you can see, we've got a lot of different things here from industry professionals talking to you guys about how to do great things with Pinterest, how to do personal branding, social media, Canva for the classroom, you name it. Let's click on this one right here and see what Canva is going to be teaching us. You can see we've got stuff on posters. We've got stuff on lesson plans, graphic organizers. If you are just getting started with Canva, this is the place to be. So, Sue, as you can see, there's a lot of great stuff that you can do with Canva. It's just a matter of finding the right template and having fun with it. Doesn't matter if you're doing it for your class or for your family. Let this be the summer of Canva.
Yeah, that's so exciting, all of those awesome things that you just showed us. So where can we go to find these templates?
Absolutely. You can head on over to that website that is right below, teachercast.net/Canva templates. You're going to be taken to our blog post that has all the great resources on there, and I hope you guys have a chance to check that out. Download those today, and don't forget to tweet out where you got it from. Everything's available here on the TEACHERCAST Educational Network, and I hope you guys have had a great time enjoying this episode of Tech Coach Weekly. Next week, we're going to be talking all about Adobe Spark. Sue, talk to us a little bit about some of the things we're going to be learning about Adobe Spark.
So a lot of the same things we just talked about on Canva, you can also transfer over to Adobe Spark. So I can't wait to show you some of those design templates that are available there and be able to provide you with some of those.
And one more time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and comment on this one. We want to know how you guys are enjoying your summer and how you guys are enjoying the great features of Canva for EDU. Lots of great stuff going on there, especially here on Tech Coach Weekly. So until next time, on behalf of Sue and everybody here in the TEACHERCAST Educational Network, my name is Jeff Bradbury, reminding you guys to keep up the great work in your classrooms and continue sharing your passions with your students.